Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can log in into your Comcast account. So for those people who do not know Comcast Corporation is formerly known as America's Cable System and Comcast Holding All Right, and it is also known as America's multinational telecommunication, call me growth headquarters. So basically it's a TV network providing company and basically internet providing company as well. If you want to know in detail, you can visit this Wikipedia. But this video is not on what is Comcast, this video is actually on how to log in into Comcast. So let's get into this step. Alright, but just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step starts for Comcast login. Once it starts for Comcast login, you want to click on Resist Xfinity Login. So for those people who do not know, Comcast is also known as Xfinity right now. At the previous date, it used to be known as Comcast. But now it's known as Xfinity. So don't get confused. Alright, Comcast and Xfinity are the same thing. So over here, you need to enter your email or your mobile or your username, whichever thing you used over here, and click on Let's Go. Once you click on Let's Go on, the next step is going to ask you for the password of your account. So after you enter the password of your account, if you want to keep yourself signed in, click on this Keep Me Signed In button. So what it does is now you don't have to enter your login detail every single time when you visit Xfinity website. Alright, the website is going to remember you and you don't have to enter your login details. So whenever you just come to Xfinity.com, it's going to straight up take you to your account, right? So click on Sign In over here. And you should be able to log in into your Xfinity account if the information you typed over here is correct. Not Xfinity Comcast, alright, but Comcast and Xfinity are saying that, don't get confused. Alright? So hope you guys understand and how you guys can log in into your Comcast account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.